Hi YouTube, this is John from Graybeard 3D. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Amazon sub for the Echo system. I have here set up two Echo dots. I'm going to use those. I'm going to try to pair those into a stereo mode, and then I'm going to we're going to listen to some royalty-free music, and then we're going to add the subwoofer and then listen to the same royalty-free music. It's not a perfect test at all, but I just want to see how it performs with these Echo dots. So with that, let's get started. Alright, so as I said, we're going to be reviewing these dots, or the Amazon Echo sub, but today is actually going to be a day of streaming, and we're going to have a lot of stuff coming up. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about here in the day here. So this is stream number 1 today. I'm going to stop these streams after every one, so each one can get its own title and description, because it's just too much to cram into one single stream. Plus it gives me a chance to take a little break and make sure I have everything set up right. The next one we're going to be doing is developing Prusa slicer profiles for an Ender 3. The goal there is to get decent profiles for the Ender 3, as well as retain all of the presets for all the material types that Prusa has developed. After that, we're going to be doing the engineering and modeling PC. Sorry about that. So I'm building a PC for engineering class, just so everybody can see what goes into building a PC. It's not exactly 3D printing related, but I am specifically building it to be used as a modeling and engineering PC for a student. And then last, we're going to go into a SainSmart Ender 3 Pro unboxing and build. I already have an Ender 3 Pro unboxed and built from the other night, but I have yet another one to build. So we get to do this again, and I'll show you a few tricks I learned along the way, something that might make your build go better. And number 5 is still up in the air. We might continue with more streams today. It just depends on where today leads. So we are on the Amazon Echo sub. Let's go ahead and switch these cameras and start looking at that. So right here I have this box, and it's from Amazon, and it says product name, and next to it says Amazon product. So I don't know why they said product name is Amazon product, but that's not very descriptive. But let's go ahead and get this open. By the way, the box is pretty heavy and beefy. It doesn't feel like a whole lot of air in there. Alright, so this looks like just a shipping box. Sorry for the loud noise. And then inside of that we get this nice blue Echo sub. So, nice sub here. It looks decent. The box, of course, is very nice, and what's included is the Echo sub and a power cord, and it's compatible with Echo or Echo Plus. On the back, it shows like the inside of the sub. It looks like it's a down-firing subwoofer in there. It's a 6-inch subwoofer with 100 watts. We're going to see how well that holds up. And that looks like it on the outside. Let me see if I can switch cameras here. Maybe I have... Well, we'll just continue with that. I'll pull this one down a little bit. So you get a nice little tear strip here. I'm not sure which way I'm supposed to tear it, but I'll just do that. Alright, so inside the box... Let's go ahead and look at this. So inside the box, it has the nice little Amazon logo on the lid, and then it looks like a cloth bag for the sub itself, and we can just lift that out. And at the bottom, we have a little Amazon Echo sub booklet, which walks us through connecting it. And below that is a power cord. So it looks like it doesn't use one of those wall bricks. It uses a regular power cord. And then that's it in the box. But it's a really nice design box. It's very Apple-esque, if you will. So let's go ahead and open up this power cord. And let me see, I have not really paying attention to the chat too much. Hey, John Mack, how are you doing? Volume is a bit low. Okay, let me see what I can do about that. I apologize. There is probably a gain somewhere, but I'll just hit the gain on the mic. I tried to adjust the mic today to, where is that gain at? All right, how about that? Is that too low or too high? I tried to adjust the mic today because if I'm going to be playing music, I don't want to blast everybody with it. So I was just trying to get it balanced. But anyway, check volume. So is it still not working, John Mack? Hey, Mr. Bootram, how are you doing? How's the audio for you? So let me see, audio input capture, volume is all the way up on that. All I have from there are gain. And so, okay, much better. All right. So here's the sub. Let's look at that. Here. And on the back, it has a nice little stop warning label. And let me read that for you. Please set up your other Echo devices before plugging in your Echo sub. After your compatible Echo device is set up, refer to the enclosed quick start guide for speaker pairing. So these Echo Dots I have here aren't even paired. I mean, they're set up, but they're not paired to be stereo. So one of the first things I want to do is try to pair them to be stereo. I'm hoping that, and I don't see why it would be, but I'm hoping they don't make it permanent. So let me find my Alexa app. Everything you do, oh, not you Alexa, this Alexa. Yeah, that's going to be interesting. Everything you do inside of the app, for configuration. So, oh, I'm not on my Wi-Fi. That sucks. Here it comes. All right. So in there, I have my devices. And let's say all devices. And I don't know which one this is going to be. And this is kind of interesting because they accidentally sent me two. Or I accidentally ordered two. But I'm going to pull this sticker off. And it says plug in my sub. So I'm just going to pull that sticker off. I have my other Echo devices already in my house. And plug it in. And plug it into that. All right. It says there should be a LED on the back, and there is. It looks like a button as well. It has a little light in the middle of something that looks like a button. And it's kind of doing a blinky, glowing thing, similar to how the LED ring on a Dot does when you first power it up for connecting to the network and whatnot. Let's see. You got your Echo Flex. Yeah. So these are supposed to be prepared. Okay, that's a truck outside. I heard a whine or something of something. So I am looking for. It says my subs are offline. And I don't have any light on the sub anymore. So let's see, plug it in, download Alexa app, configure your sub, connect your Echo sub to one or two compatible Echo devices by going to Devices, Echo sub, speaker pairing. So you can select up to 2 speakers. Oh. So before I do this, let's go ahead and listen to these other Echo devices. So I'm going to cancel this because I think once I pair it, it might be difficult to unpair it. I don't know. So let's just listen to the other devices. So first thing I want to do is get these devices to be in a group. So stereo pair. And I have two here, so I'm going to do that one and that one. I don't know which is which, so I might have left and right mixed up, but we're just going to do, unless I can make it. Oh, okay, cool. So on the app, when you're pairing speakers together, and let me bring it to the bigger camera, you get a left button to test which one's left and which one's right. So I am borrowing these Echo Dots, one from the kitchen and one from the living room for this experiment. So we're set up, and they ask, what name do we want? We will call this test stereo. Next. And it looks like I have a group called test stereo. So I think I can say, Alexa, play royalty-free music on test stereo.
Shuffling songs by royalty-free music on Amazon Music, playing on test stereo.
Okay, that sounds pretty cool. Let me separate these speakers some more. I'm going to try to put the mic right in the middle of it. I apologize if there's any loud noise from that. Alright, I am definitely getting a stereo sound out of these. Alexa, volume 5. Might be a little bit loud. I see it's starting to peak on the red. Alexa, stop. Okay, so that's that with without the subwoofer. Now let's add the subwoofer into it and see what happens. So how did I do that? I think I went to one of these in the pairs. All right. So I'm gonna set with the test stereo. So I'm picking the stereo speaker group I already set up in this setup, and then I'm also picking the Echo sub in there. So hopefully let me try to get no reflection on there. So then I'm just checking the sub and the speaker pair I already set up, and then hitting next. Now I can create a name, and I will say test sub. Next. Alexa, play royalty-free music on test sub. I don't know what that meant. It just went ding dong. Alexa, play royalty-free music on test sub. I guess that's it. It doesn't want to work. Let me go back to the devices and see what's going on with that. Yeah, and there it is. It's called test sub, and it is a pair with the two dots that we had before. So let's try it again. Alexa, play royalty-free music on test sub. It doesn't like it. Okay, let me unpair the speaker system. And let's try this again. So let's go over here. And let's create a speaker pair. All right, so we're going to pick the sub and pick the, oops. It will only let you pick, and I noticed this, it'll only let you pick two echoes as part of this pair. So you couldn't set up something like a 4 or anything else like that. So let's try this again.
Left channel.
Okay.
Right channel.
Still have it right. Cool. And I'm just going to pick one of these pre-built things. In fact, I'm going to pick bathroom, because I know I don't have a bathroom. I have a bathroom. I don't have a echo in my bathroom. All right. Alexa, play royalty-free music in the bathroom.
Shuffling songs by Royalty on Amazon Music.
That's
Playing
not
on bathroom.
royalty-free. Wow. I immediately feel that subwoofer going. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. Gonna try and get my sorry about that, John Mac. Alexa, play royalty-free music in the bathroom.
Shuffling songs by Royalty-Free Music on Amazon Music.
All right. So I have it all set up. The question is, this is another question I have, is what if I want more bass out of this? Can I do anything about it? So it doesn't look like, if I go into the settings for the speaker group, it doesn't look like I can adjust it at all. Maybe you want one of the speakers to be slightly, oh, John Mac, you have one in your bathroom? But this sounds really rich. It adds a certain amount of depth to the speaker pair. And what I'm going to do is, while it's playing, unplug this up. Yeah, it lost quite a bit. I wonder if the sub will come back alive if it gets power again. Do you think it'll like pick it up and resync it? What'll happen? So far, as it started resyncing, the blue light on the back of the sub is blinking, like it is trying to connect. But will it pick up and continue where it left off? Wow, you have it everywhere. So, for a while we had no Alexa. Oh, it thinks I'm talking to it. For a while we didn't have it anywhere, and I recently got one in the basement because that's where my wife's treadmill is. Okay, so this is interesting. The Echo Dots have removed a lot of the mid and low that they're normally playing because the subwoofer has come back online, but the subwoofer itself is not playing. So I could hear a distinct change in sound once they thought a subwoofer was present. They almost immediately removed all mids and lows. So they're acting as kind of like high-end only, which is actually a good thing because that's what you want. When you do it that way, you should be able to get a lot more power out of the dots in the sub than you could normally. However, yeah, it says they're all online, but it's not showing it. Alexa, stop. Okay, I told it to stop and it continued playing in just one speaker. Alexa, stop. No, it's determined to play the song. Oh, finally. Okay. Alexa, play royalty-free music in the bathroom.
Shuffling songs by Royalty on Amazon Music.
No.
Playing on
Alexa,
bathroom.
cancel. Alexa, stop. Stop. Alexa, stop. Alexa, play royalty-free music in the bathroom.
Shuffling songs by Royalty on Amazon Music. Playing on bathroom.
Alexa, stop. My Alexa hates me. Oh my goodness. Need to edit the video like other Alexa to beep out yourself. Oh, I guess so. I'm not that fancy. I don't know how to do that. I can barely get these things to play royalty-free music. Alexa, play royalty-free music in the bathroom.
Shuffling songs by royalty-free music on Amazon Music.
Alright. So, although the sub lost power and has come back, it is not reconnecting at all. It's not reestablishing this group. So, I don't know what would happen if, like, maybe the sub is plugged into an outlet that accidentally gets tripped. You're going to have to get up and go find, okay, where did I plug in the subwoofer again? Let me unplug it, replug it. Maybe you have to unpair everything to start again. I don't know. Alexa, stop. Let me try giving it power while nothing is playing. Let me try giving it a chance to rejoin that group again. It does say it was in the group. Maybe I should just change my keyword to something most people don't use. So this is interesting. There does not appear to be any sort of way at all to, like, say you want more bass out of it, or any sort of equalizer out of it. The IC, audio settings. Oh, here it is. So in the pair, you don't have any sort of equalizer, but when you're, if you go back to the original speakers and you click on the speaker itself, then you can change things. All right, so it looks like the subwoofer is booted back up. Let's try one more time here, and then if not, I have to unpair everything and repair it to get it to work again. And that would be bad if that's what you have to do every power outage. Alexa, play royalty-free music in the bathroom.
Shuffling songs by royalty on Amazon Music. Playing
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. Wow. So this is, I think I'm clear. Am I speaking poorly? I don't know. I don't know why it cannot hear the word free. It doesn't understand the word free. I guess that's what you get for buying these from a shopping giant. I don't know. Okay, let's try one more time here. Alexa, play royalty-free music in the bathroom.
Shuffling songs by royalty-free music on Amazon Music.
There we go. No subwoofer. Now here's a question about this though. So when that sub is there, the speakers do behave differently. So let me see if it automatically. No. All right, let's try to do this then. Alexa, stop. Let's try to do this. Let's ungroup everything, because we lost power to the subwoofer, so apparently that means we have to ungroup everything. And let's go and group this thing again. Continue, searching for speakers, blah, blah, blah. All right, let's do basement and, or no, not basement, kitchen and living room. I only have 3.
Left channel. Right channel.
Just double checking, because if you click them in a different order, they'll be different. All right, I'm going to assume that John Mack does not have patio speakers, so I'm going to pick patio. All right. Oh, I can trigger the playlist from the app. Maybe I should do that. But I wanted to say patio. So this sucks though, because I don't know if it's going to understand me. Yeah, it's annoying. Play. Let me go to play. Royalty-free music. Patio. Nope. No No subwoofer. The subwoofer is completely dead because it lost power. I don't know what to do, guys. Okay, I'm trying yet again. So there is no indication. Now my phone is doing some dots or something, like it's trying to do something or send something smart. Patio speakers on Chromecast. May just be a UDP stream after it's set up. Not confirmed. Reset up. Okay, so it says the I changed it to backyard because it forced me not to pick patio again. It says it has the sub in it. Let's come on, come to life, baby. Alexa, volume 5. Maybe it's there. It's definitely not behaving like it did the first time. So let's try this. All right. So it's playing, but man, I feel like I can barely hear it. Maybe it's just the depth I'm missing here. So let's try this. So I cranked the bass all the way. Maybe I need a different track. Let's see. This royalty-free music is interesting, isn't it?
Sorry, I am having trouble playing the music.
Even through the app. Look at that, John Mac. It just doesn't like me. There we go. Not the same song though. How do you skip songs? I think the app is having problems. I killed the app. Let's bring it back up again. So when you're having a party, this is exactly what you want to have to do for a party, is sit here and twiddle with an app all day. This sounds perfect, right? How do I see other... Let's see, is there a search? Alexa, play royalty-free music in the backyard.
Shuffling songs by royalty-free music on Amazon Music.
max. Yeah, this song's interesting because it seems like it takes from Alexa Volume 3. It seems like it takes from a little bit of Nirvana and a few other bands, but yeah, I heard this earlier. All your Echo Dots are stressed out. All right, so this is it. I'm not saying any more of those other than I'm going to tell it all to stop. But thank you for joining the stream. This is the unboxing and test of the Amazon Echo Sub. It's okay, in my opinion. You don't have as much control as I would like, but it does add something to the music. Definitely some missing bit, especially if you have these dots. I have some Echo Studios on order, and I'm going to see how those sound as well. Those are supposed to be the premium sound, so we'll see. I was hoping that I could take this subwoofer and 2 studios and replace my soundbar system in my living room, but I wouldn't say I'm thrilled about the sub. I'd say it adds something to the music. It definitely gives it more life, but I wouldn't say it has the punch I was necessarily looking for out of it. However, if you have a single dot and you want to add just a little bit more oomph to it, the sub would be perfect for that. Yes, so everything's supposed to be much cheaper than Sonos because I can't afford Sonos. Thanks for joining the stream today. If you have anything else you want me to try on this, let me know. I'll try it out. When I get the studios, I'll put those in and I'll do another one of these. And if you had any suggestions during that time, I will absolutely do those tests as well when I get the studios. But thank you again for joining the stream today. We have more streams coming up. They're all going to be run individually. Let me switch back over to that view there. They are all going to be run individually because they're very different sort of subjects, and I don't want to cross-contaminate or anything else like that. So next thing I'm going to be working on is mostly just via screen. I'm going to be working on making a slicer profile for an Ender 3 Pro and see if I can get that to work. So there's it'll be a lot of experimentation. I'm going to have to look up things such as retraction settings and stuff because I've not used an Ender 3 Pro in that sort of way. So thank you for joining the stream. Please check these out. Please subscribe and ring the bell if you liked what you saw today. And stick around and look for the next stream to start in probably 10-15 minutes. So thank you all, and let's say stop streaming.